Hello everyone. Welcome to Tech Talk Center. In this video I'll show you how to make a bootable USB for Windows 10 for free. So here we go. Visit the Microsoft official website and download Windows Media Creation Tool for Windows 10. Once downloaded, launch the tool. Click on Create Installation Media. And now select Language, Architecture, and Edition, manually or just click on Use Recommended Options. Now select ISO file or USB flash drive. I'll choose ISO file. Now you have to choose path and wait until the ISO files be downloaded. The ISO file has been downloaded. Now you have to download Rufus Tool. You can simply download it from the following website, or you can click on the link in description. Launch the Rufus Tool. Select the ISO file here. Insert USB pen drive and select the USB. Now click Start. The USB will be formatted, so make sure there's not any important file in USB. The bootable USB is ready. Now let's check it. If you want to install Windows 10 on your computer from this USB, so follow the video. Shut down or restart your PC. Press the boot key. Select the USB as the boot device. Press any key to install Windows 10. And that's it. Now you can install Windows 10 in your PC. If you don't know how to install Windows 10, then click on our other video and learn how to install Windows 10. So that's all in this video. Bye for now.